Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. The price predictor, as I was also called. Today we're going to basically be going over some major currencies, and nothing's been happening in sterling dollar. I've been waiting for things to happen in sterling dollar, and just nothing's happening. So today I'm going to go over a couple of things, and I'm also going to be doing a video on how to project the range. That'll be coming later today, an educational video, because I decided to put up range projection that I always have in my notes. And range projection is an important concept. It's based off of historical volatility, and you could get really complicated with it by comparing what the open is to the close. But I'm gonna actually show you a simple technique that was taught to me back in the late 80s by a mentor of mine by the name of Roger White. Unfortunately, he's no longer with us. He was about probably a little bit older than me. I'm 59 this year. He was probably like 66 when he taught me this back in 1988, 1990. I can't really remember the year. I used to go to the Bull and Bear on Park Avenue and hunt down these old traders to try to teach me the secrets of the market, so to speak. So here we stand in sterling dollar, and it's been kind of like really boring, but we've had the high at 132.65, and that occurred on August, the 28th of August. The 27th of August it actually occurred, and we haven't really done anything since. But here's where we stand right now. Today, the range projection is these pink lines. 130.160 should be support. 131.50 is the range lower level, and the 132.45 is the upper level of the range. So the range projection is basically saying the marketplace should stay within this, and there would be a shift in supply demand if we can break these levels. Now, the internal levels, the levels that are important are like a break of 130.160 is going to be showing weakness, and we could possibly get back down to 130.160. We could possibly get back down to, say, 131.33 is the next level of support, and then 131.05. And that would be a pretty good retracement if it's really going to pick up speed and blow out. Now, I'm going to give you a thrust level in a second. Matter of fact, let me calculate a thrust level right now. What that means is that it's the first level that if it does break, it's actually showing strength upward. And then I'll give you a thrust level for downward too, so that if that's the level, that's my internal level, that's like my proprietary calculation of saying, hey, this thing is going to be doing this for the next whatever day or so. So hang on one second, let me get that for you. Okay, the first internal level I got for a thrust level, okay, from our recent high of 132.65, the first level of warning was 132.07, and that basically said that that's the warning saying that maybe this is going to consolidate a little bit. The next level is 131.43. So if it breaks 131.43 without, it is basically showing weakness, and it's going to a target of 130.35. That's what the thrust levels are saying. Now, upward, if we can hold this level, we stay, and we're talking about not only the internal levels and the range projection itself, it needs to get above and close above 132.22. And if you notice, it hit it last evening in the Asia session in early London, was now you'd be able to close above it. But if it can get above 132.22, close above it, the next target's 132.79. So get your pencil out, 132.79. If we could close above 132.79, that's the secondary thrust level. The third ultimate target for it is 133.95, 134 the figure. So those are thrust levels. Those are levels that I look at and say, ooh, you know, these are my internal calculations. So it's basically what I base my tau of price off of. And as you can see here, you see tau of price. It's like right here. You could calculate that based off of you know, formula that was put in, and I have it in TradingView itself, but I really, you know, I hate to say it, is that I really don't even know how to use the guy that programmed it for me. I really don't understand how to use it, so I just go back to my old method of doing it, you know, so I do it by hand. Anyway, so let's move on to, I guess we'll just do sterling yen, because that's an interesting one that's been flying around a little bit. So hang on a second. Let's go do sterling yen. Okay, good old sterling yen, which has been a real pain in the ass the last couple of days. We have the range projection for the days 190.20 range projection low, and 191.35 range projection high. Okay, so those are the range projections. I'm going to go over how to get that. That's real simple stuff, and I'll explain to you really, you know, what it's really about. Internal levels, 191.10 and 190.34. So right here, 191.11, 190.34. These are warning lines. Like if we can get above this, most likely we can get to attack this level here, and then potentially move upward. Now the thrust levels, which are more important. This is an interesting concept. We're really right now at a lower thrust level at 190.70. 75 is the level. So in other words, it's saying if it cannot recover and it drifts down, okay, from this level right here, the next level is 190.07. If it breaks 190.07, this thing's on target to 188.69 according to tau of price thrust, okay? And that's my system. So I follow that, you know. The other side, the thrustward upward, okay, is we need to crawl above 191, the figure, and then get above 191.62, close above 191 with confirmation, and then this marketplace is on the target at 193.07. And this is what I thought it was going to do. I thought that it was going to base. I didn't think that it's going. Right now, sterling yen is in a major natural reaction from the old high of the 208.11 level. Okay, so it's not that it's bullish. It was bullish, and now it's turned into a natural reaction as it's crunching down. So those are the levels today for those two currencies. I'll leave it at that because it's already 8 minutes. So if anybody's interested in any other currencies, like say you got to do dollar yen for me or something, put in the comments. I will. It might be too late because it's already 7:26 on Thursday morning of August 29th. I'm going to be doing an educational video for you guys in a little while on basically range projections. Please, if you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please leave a comment. Tell me what you guys want me to cover. If I have the knowledge of it, I'd be happy to do it. Also, don't forget to go over to Park Avenue Trading. Get yourself a free ebook. You'll love it. It's completely different. And enjoy the party dancing the door. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers.